Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Mercedes-Benz B-Class. The Mercedes-Benz B-Class is a compact luxury car. This vehicle has a dramatically sculpted exterior and a refined interior and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, rain sensing wipers, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.